So, dear children, let's continue. Wait, I want everyone to be on mute so that there is a silence. If anyone wishes to speak, they can unmute and then mute again. So, sixth question. Sunil and Sachin plays a chess match consisting of 12 games in each game. The winner scores 5 points and loser scores 3 points. At the end of the match, Sachin's total score is 44. How many games did Sunil win if there were no draws in the match? So, in such cases, I would rather ask you to go for the trial and error method. So the options are basically saying the Sunil's win. So Sunil's win का मतलब क्या होता है? Sunil जीत गया and Sachin हार गया. Okay, so the total number of games are 12. So if we are considering the first option is correct, so according to this, Sunil has won 4 matches, which means the remaining 8 matches were
Yes,
won by
sir.
Sachin.
Trial and error will be the fastest for this, right?
Yes. So remaining 8 matches were won by Sachin. So in this case, if Sunil has won 6 matches won by Sachin. So if Sunil has won 8 match, then 4 matches are won by Sachin. So if Sunil has won 3 match, then remaining 9 matches are won by Sachin. So when I mean, speaking about Sachin, if this is Sachin's score tally, I'm saying. If Sachin has won 8 matches, then multiplied by 5, 40 points उसको जीत के मिला है. And when he lost 4 matches, he got again 3 points. 4 into 3, 12. So the total number of points in this case is 52, which is not matching with the points which they have given. They have already said that Sachin's total score is 44. So you have to check which option is going to satisfy this 44. In this case,
Sir,
6
the
into
answer is 8.
yes,
Third option.
absolutely. Absolutely. In this case, when you try the second option, 6 into 5, 30, and 6 into 3, 18, total is 48, which is not matching. Therefore, these two options are not going to be the correct answer. Let's see this. 4 into 5, that is 20, and 8 into 3, that is 24. When you add them, you're getting 44. Therefore, option 3 is your correct answer.
So that's basically the vice versa of the first option, right?
Absolutely. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'll give few seconds. Then I'll erase.
Sir, we can use equation method also, no?
Yeah. But I feel in this case, trial and error will do the job much easily as compared to equation method. Hence, I did not go for
Ye-
equation method.
Yes, it is faster.
Yeah. Any problem can be solved with equation. There is not a single problem in the world which cannot be solved with the equation. But the complexity
Yes,
that
sir.
depends on problems to problem. Some equations they go very complex. Some equations they go very simple. So if the equations are simple, we can do with equations. If you feel that हाँ यार ये equation बनाने से थोड़ा extra मेहनत है, in that case you go for trial and error.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now going for the next one. Okay, seventh one. 4 points are there on the line segment as shown. So E, F, G, H. They say EF upon FG is 1 is to 2. So EF and FG they are in the ratio of 1 is to 2, and FG and GH they are in the ratio of 8 is to 5. Now they want us to find EF upon FH ka ratio. Now, you know, in both the ratios which they have given, the common ground is basically FG, right? So let's do one thing. Let's make this FG a common number as well. Now, in this case, they say when FG is 8, GH is 5. Okay. Now, when EF is 1, FG is 2. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let's make this 2 also 8. How to make this 2 as 8? You multiply it by 4, it becomes 8. When you're multiplying it by 4 over here, you'll multiply by 4 over here as well. So, which means now since FG is 8 for the first condition as well as second condition. We have converted it as same. Now this is 8, which means it has a, since it has become same, now you can compare all three together. It's going to be a correct answer. Like EF is 4, FG is 8 from both the angles, and GH is 5. Now the question is, what is the ratio of EF upon GH? Sorry, EF upon FH. You can directly write this number. EF ke liye you can write 4. And for FH, you simply have to add both of them. That is 8 plus 5 is 30. That gives you 4 by 30. That's your answer. Option 1.
So can you start explaining?
Yeah, sure. I'll explain again. So what they have given, so at one place they have given EF upon FG as 1 by 2. On the other place they have given FG upon GH as 8 by 5. Now the problem is both the fractions should be connected, but in order to connect this, FGs should remain same. Now, since they are different, let's make it same. So what did we do? We basically multiplied it and divide numerator and denominator by 4. We got 4 upon 8. Now, in this case, FG is 8 in the first ratio as well as in the second ratio. So in this case, you can directly put these numbers in the figure and get the answer. So you can do this only when the numbers are same for same section. So for EF, I'll put 4, for FG, I'll put 8, and for GH, I'll put 5, and simply I'll substitute and get the answer.
Got it, sir.
RF, we are doing 2010's paper. Okay. I'll be erasing this in few seconds. Erasing this. Yep. Ninth question. Bricklayer Vittal takes 9 hours to build a chimney alone. Bricklayer Raju takes 10 hours to build the same chimney alone. When they work together, they talk a lot, and their combined output is decreased by 10 bricks per hour. Working together, they build the chimney in 5 hours. How many bricks are there in the chimney? So, uh, 10 bricks per hour, 5 hours. So in this case, what we'll do, okay, before we start discussing anything, I'll give you a minute and let's see what ideas you have. I'm just giving you a hint over here. I hope you understood what I've done over here. In the previous class, I had explained you this logic.
Sir, this is for that time and work, that one, right?
Correct. See, the first statement says that Vittal alone can build a chimney in 9 hours. So 9 hours में पूरा चिमनी बनेगा, which means 1 hour में कितना चिमनी बनेगा? So 1 by 9 of chimney he can build in 1 hour. Whereas this guy Raju, he takes 10 hours, which means in 1 hour he'll be building 1 by 10 of the chimney. I hope it's clear now. So Vittal and Rahul together is supposed to build 1 by 9 plus 1 by 10. कुल मिलाकर this much amount of chimney in 1 hour.
Sir, maybe we can take 1 as x because 1x on 9, right?
No, don't.
X will be,
I don't. Acha, X number of bricks, you mean to say, right?
yeah, x number of bricks, yes.
9 hours to build X, which means, okay.
So,
Yeah, I'm listening.
so here actually, see, when we do the total, we get 19 by 90.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and if they're working 5 hours, if we
Mm-hmm.
calculate, it comes 95 upon 90. So, extra is 5 upon 90, and as it has mentioned, it decreases the brick output is decreased by 10 bricks per hour. And as
Mm-hmm.
they have worked for 5 hours, they have decreased 50 bricks. So 5 by 90 is 50 bricks. So therefore, uh, if we do 90 by 90, it will come 900 bricks. So that will be an answer.
Is
Sir,
this
sir, I
same?
think I have another faster method. Can I say?
Yeah, tell me.
So, sir, we can calculate the joint time taken by both in. So we can take the joint time. I mean, so Raju does. Vithal takes 9 hours. So 1/9, and Raju takes 10 hours. So 1/9 plus 1/10. So that will give us 19/90. So the number of bricks which will be the answer will be a number divisible by 90, and amongst all the options only 900 is the option.
Okay, I appreciate that idea as well.
Sir, I didn't,
So,
what
sir,
is
I
T,
Wait,
also
just
have
a
a
minute.
method.
T,
Just a
1,
minute. Just a
what
minute.
is,
I'll say a name. Yatharth is raising the hands. Please, Yatharth, tell me, what's your query?
Yes, sir. Sir, so what I did is, sir, I multiplied 19 upon 90 by 5. So I
Mm-hmm.
got 85 upon 90. So 5 upon 90 is equal to 50 bricks
It's
because
95 upon
5
90.
hours. So 1 is equal to 10, so 5 is equal to 50. So according to that, I got 900 as the answer.
Then I use the same method.
Okay.
Sarah, I didn't understand how did you
sir,
get the
can you
number of
explain
X?
again?
Yeah,
Sir,
definitely,
can
I'll
I?
explain. Not a problem. Yeah, somebody else was asking. बोलिए. I thought कोई पूछ रहा था.
Yes, sir, what is T under that you've written 10 ST? Hello?
Yeah. Acha, this one. This is not 10 ST. This is time lost.
10?
Time
Acha,
lost.
time lost.
T lost.
Oh,
Yeah.
T lost. So can you
Yeah.
explain this again? So I can note it down again.
Sure. I'll explain it once again. Let me just confirm one last thing. 10
Yes.
bricks every hour, which means the time consumed was 90 divided by 19. When you cancel 900 by 5, 5 का क्या करें? Okay, wait, 900 ही आना चाहिए आंसर, but anyway, let me just explain. Maybe मैं इतने सारे suggestions सुना ना, दिमाग घूमता गया मेरा. So I'll just explain this question once again. So Vittal's, so first of all, what did I find in 1 hour? How much work this Vittal guy is doing? So that was 1/9. How much work this Raju was doing? That was 1/10. Vittal and Raju, when they work together, they are supposed to work complete 19 by 90 of the work all together, which is nothing but 1/9 plus 1/10. उसको LCM निकाल के I found the answer to be 19 upon 90, which is equal to 1 upon time. ये मैंने पिछले बार में explain किया था. I had explained you that that will be equal to 1 upon time. That gives me time is equal to 90 upon 9, 90 upon 19. So this is the theoretical time in which they were supposed to complete. but they completed in 5 hours because of chit chatting. Okay, so the time lost because of their chit chatting was 5 hours minus the actual time. So this is what actual time you should, or theoretical time or expected time, I'll say. Just a minute. Just a minute. Hold on, please. What I was saying, yeah. So the expected time was 90 by 19, but these guys took 5 hours to complete. So the time lost because of chit chatting is basically 5 minus 90 by 19. When you multiply, when you take LCM, you'll get 95 minus 90 upon 19. That gives you 5 by 19. So 5 by 19 is the time lost, total time lost. Okay, total number of hours lost. Okay. Now, um, the output is decreased by 10 bricks per hour. So the output decreased. So let me check. Wait, output decreased is so per hour. So this much is the time lost I found, but 10 bricks per hour number of, so total number of bricks reduced. Let me say, just a minute, I'm thinking. Total number of bricks they could not put us, let's say अगर x रहेगा तो x minus 10. So this 10 is the number of, so time, so 10 bricks is equal to, नहीं लेकिन
So,
वैसे तो
sir,
नहीं कर
may I
सकते.
suggest a method?
Yeah, I'm listening, tell me.
Yeah, so Vitthal takes 9 hours to build the chimney. Raju takes 10 hours, so we add them. It's 19 by 90. And it
Mm-hmm.
says that they talk a lot, so their output is decreased. Now,
Mm-hmm.
and it says that they're taking 5 hours. So
Mm-hmm.
90 divided by 5 is 18. So they're doing one brick less over here. So if we want them to lose 10 bricks per hour, we'll have to multiply 90 by 10, which is 900. Hence, there are 900 bricks.
So what you did, 90 by,
Sir, yes, sir, that is a
90
more
by 5.
logical answer
um,
because if they have to be reduced 10 bricks per hour, then we have to multiply 90 by 10.
Yeah, exactly. So what their current output is 18 by 90, whereas it should be 19 by 90. But in this case, they're only losing one brick. In the question, it says they're losing 10 bricks. So this can only occur when there are 900 bricks.
hmm, hmm, hmm. Correct. In 1 hour, they are losing one brick, 18 by 91. Okay. Any other suggestion?
No,
Logically,
that's
it
it.
goes
I
as
know.
No, sir,
900.
no, sir.
Yes, that is making sense.
Sir, can you explain again?
Sure. But just give me a minute. X upon 90 by 19. So that gives the number of bricks divided by decreased. Okay. So this much. So 900 by 19 is the total number of bricks lost per hour. Per hour, no, total number of bricks lost. So total number of bricks lost. But where did the 19 go? Wait. So, wait, you got the idea till here, by the way, dear children? Is there anyone who did not understand this part?
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay. So, technically, like formula wise, I'm thinking when they're working together, they were supposed to complete by 90 by 10. Sorry. Yeah. Uh, they completed the work in so and so time. So, they are like saying the output decreased is 10 bricks per hour. This much of output is decreased. You're supposed to divide it by 5, right? 180, 19, ये 19 किधर गायब हो गया? So 10 bricks. So that will say total number of bricks lost per unit time taken. X minus 10. So multiplied by, this is per hour. Okay. So 10 bricks multiplied by total number of time taken is total number of bricks lost or decreased. This is total number of bricks lost in total amount of time divided by, when you do 5 by 19, 19 gets cancelled. So 900 divided by 5 is equal to 10. I'm getting some other number only. In formula wise, I'm not able to reach the answer 900. I'm just
Sir,
thinking. Yeah, listening.
sir, I think then my method I think will be more effective and faster.
Hmm. Yeah, what did you consider first of
So
all?
without so logically we're getting the answer faster. See, there's
Hmm.
in nine. So we add their total work, which is 19 by 90. Okay, this is the amount of work that they are supposed to be doing,
Hmm.
but because of them talking a lot, they're
Hmm.
losing 1 brick per hour because 18 by 90 is their hour ka input. So they're losing 1 brick in this case. So when will they lose 10 bricks? When we multiply 90 by 10, which is
Wait, how did you
900
come to know that
bricks.
they are losing 1 brick?
Because sir, it says that they're completing the work in 5 hours, which means that every hour their work is 18 by 90 now. But they're supposed to be doing 19 by 90.
Sir,
And
I got his logic, sir. So he's saying that they are doing 1/5. So the total time taken to complete the work is 5 hours. So 1/5 of the work is being completed in 1 hour. So he multiplied the denominator to make it 90. So we multiply 5 by 18, so it's 90, and we multiply 1 by 18. So like that.
Oh, like that. Okay.
yeah.
So basically 5 hours को उन्होंने 90 upon 18 ऐसा कंसिडर किया. That is 18 upon 90. हाँ, ठीक है. Understood. Hmm. Okay. So that's how you figure out 1 brick के लिए 1 brick is lost basically in an hour. 1 brick is lost. So with this,
Repeat how is one?
I'll explain. So how is 1 brick lost?
Sir, can you explain
So
from starting?
sure. I'll explain. So basically, yeah, Vittal takes 9 hours to build a chimney. So in 1 hour, this guy Vittal builds 1/9. Raju builds 1/10. Vittal and Raju together, they are supposed to build 1/9 plus 1/10, which is basically 19 upon 90. Okay. Now they are supposed to build this much. But how much are they building? They are building, मतलब ठीक है, वो बाद में देखते हैं. So this is basically 1/time, the expected time. So the expected time is basically inverse of this 90 upon 90. Okay, but what is the actual time? Actual time is 5 hours, which is nothing but 90 upon 18. You see the logic? Okay, the actual time they have taken is 90 upon 18. So far, so clear? Hello?
Sir, but why just 90 upon 18? We can take anything, bro. 60 upon 12.
Yes, absolutely. You can take anything. But in order to match the numerator, we have purposely taken it as 90 upon 18. Okay. With that, what
Okay, sir.
happens? Yeah. See, this is work done or maybe brick placed. Okay. So the brick the work done is this. So work is basically 1 upon time. So if time is 90 by 19, the expected, then the expected work is 19 by 90, ulta of it. And since the actual time is 90 by 18, then the actual work they have done, actual work is ulta of it, that is 18 by 90, which is nothing but time ka ulta. Okay, that's what they have done. So the actual work is they have done is 18 by 19. The expected work they have done is 19 by 90. Then the difference between them is basically 1 by 90. So this is the work they have lost in 1 hour. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So yes, and I believe they have. I believe after this it is very simple because if 1 by 90 of work is lost, and which means yeah, if the work lost is 1 by 90, then you simply like ignore this one. You take this 90. One basically they have lost. Okay, leave it. They have lost one brick in 1 hour. So in order to lose 10 bricks, so we'll have to make it, so this we'll have to make it 10. So this is lost, okay? The lost work it is. So speaking about lost brick, consider it as lost brick. This is, I'll erase this. Yeah. So the lost brick is 1 by 90. So if the data says, the question says that these guys have lost 10 bricks in an hour. So if you make it 10, then the denominator becomes 900. And hence 900 is the correct answer. Okay.
Sir, I understood till 1 by 90. But how come one brick is lost? Means total lost brick is 1 by 90. How you took one?
1 out of 90 is lost in 1 hour. 1 by 90 का मीनिंग ये होता है 1 out of 90. So out of 90 bricks, these people lost one brick.
Okay, so because we have to make it 10 bricks, you multiply it by 10. Understood, sir.
Absolutely. Okay. So since the data says 10 bricks per hour, we'll multiply numerator and denominator with 10. I'll get 10 upon 900, which means they have lost 10 bricks out of 900 bricks. Okay. Hence the total number of bricks used is 900.
So,
Yep.
so in they the expected work was 19 by 90 and they lost 1 upon 90 bricks. So
Mm-hmm.
from after that, how can we get 900? Like what did we do?
Yeah, the logic says, I'll explain the logic. So in this case, what does 1 by 90 means? They have lost one brick out of 90 bricks. So this is the bricks lost. This is the total bricks. For example, if
Okay.
you are getting 5 upon
10
10,
bricks were
which means
lost.
you have scored 5 marks out of 10 marks, right? So similarly,
Yes.
1 by 90 means they have lost one brick out of the total of 90 bricks. But since the question says it's not one brick they have lost
Oh, got
10
it. 4
bricks.
hours.
Yeah, understood?
Hmm.
Now,
Okay,
what
sir.
we are speaking is about 1 hour only. Hence, this 1 hour wala logic fits over here.
Sir, if we had to do the way you were doing, means earlier,
Mhm.
using that formula, using that it is not possible.
It is possible, but somewhere I'm not using the correct term correctly. So that's why I was circling around. So in order to, since this logic is also making perfect sense, Instead of using that
Yes.
formula also, even I will suggest to use this only. Okay. And meanwhile, I will just do some research. Where did I go wrong while I was dealing with that particular formula? Okay.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. If anyone has not written, they can take a screenshot or maybe write fast. I'll wait for a few seconds. I believe you guys are done. I'm proceeding further.
Yes, sir.
That's great. Now, let's go for the next problem, dear children. That is,
Sir, done.
the next problem looks actually very easy. This is center, circle is circumscribed about a triangle ABC where BOC is given. BOC is 120, AOB is 140. Then ACB is how much? It's very easy. You can find this angle and then both the angles will be available to you, both the angles. You can find this particular angle, this particular angle. You simply add them, you will get the total angle. It's I'm
70,
giving,
sir. 70 degree.
yes, makes sense. I'm giving
Yes,
this
so
as
70
homework.
degrees.
Wonderful, wonderful. 10th one is homework for you guys. 11th one. Two circular wheels of same radius r centimeter at a fixed distance of a centimeter from one another. This is radius is r. Okay, a. The minimum length in centimeter of the fan belt which will pass around both the wheels will be how much? So the fan belt is
Sir, what
basically,
is fan belt?
yeah, fan belt is what? For example, in this case, you have two circles which can move. So there can be a belt which is tied around it. We generally use this on machines. In your day-to-day life, you can see this in,
JCB, sir. That JCB and all.
yeah, yeah, in JCBs you can see, and apart from that, in cycle also, in your cycle also, you can see there is a front circle and there is a back circle. In between, there is a chain which is
The
passing
chain,
around.
sir, the chain, right?
Yeah. So fan belt works
Okay.
exactly like the chain itself. Just a minute.
Sir,
Yeah.
is the answer 4? I means 2
Uh,
into A plus pi r.
yes,
sir,
yes,
even I got the
absolutely.
same answer.
This is a very simple problem. So
Classes.
this distance is pi r. This is A, this is A, this is pi r. You simply add all of them. You will get the answer as option 4. Very good. Okay. 12th question, actually you can do as homework. I'll just give you a just how to do it. A man buys 2 varieties of mango. First, 320 rupees for 240 mangoes, and second, 640 rupees for 400 mangoes. So total number of mangoes you first find. So there are 640 mangoes. Okay. 640 mangoes you have, and the total cost invested is 320 plus 640 is 960. So rupees 960. Okay. So per mango, you find the first you find how much cost is for per mango. Okay, per mango. Like for 16. Okay, he's selling at 16K batches. I'm so sorry. So he's selling it for 16 ka batch. So you find how much should be the cost for 16 mangoes. So either or, whichever suits better for you. Simple logic में अगर बोले तो you find the cost per mango, cost for one mango. All you have to do is you simply have to divide it, divide 960 and 640.
Sir,
You will
3
get
by
some
2.
number. Yes. Then, if you wish to find for 16 mangoes, 16 mangoes के लिए whatever cost you have, उसको multiply by 16 करो. So some number you will get.
24.
So yes, this will be your cost price. Then your selling price, they have already given you what is the selling price. So this will be the cost price, CP. Selling price is already 30. You can find the profit.
I think it is 25%.
Maybe I've not calculated. I'm just giving you a gist. Okay. Fair enough. I'll just wait for a moment for others to write down the hint.
Sir, we just have to compare, no, actual and given.
In this question, all you have to do is you can find you will get the CP from here. You will get the SP. SP is 30. Then find the profit percentage. SP minus CP upon
Okay, sir.
CP.
Okay, sir,
Okay.
understood.
Yeah, our meeting is going to end right away. So let's exit the meeting and join again.